Fire Lozano, what's going on, brother? So we do have a couple speakers for your Jeep, bud. So we do have these WDX JP models from DB Drive. Great speakers. These are great component speakers. And we also have the coaxials and even extra tweeters if you want to do that. So, and then from there, you can also do Stream Vegas, Memphis, but we do have different brands as well, bud. Archie Johnson, yes, sir. We do work on 18-wheelers, but check our videos that we have posted before on 18-wheelers. We have done a couple of 18-wheelers. We worked on ATVs, boats, side-by-sides, all that good stuff, golf carts, course, cars, trucks, all that. Kike, honestly, Kike, you have a good, these are two great brands. It just depends on the kind of sound you're looking for. I personally have Apocalypse in all my vehicles. A lot of people go with DS18s or at least the DS18 Neos. Well, both companies are great product, just based on what your reviews. You can also come by the shop and we give you even a little kind of a setup kind of a thing, a demo. C6, Kyle, what kind of car do you got? I imagine it's going to be that C6 Corvette. So, unfortunately, you cannot go too much budget speakers if you're going to do that Corvette. Just saying, if it's that Corvette, but Chris Manning, yeah, bro, I got the cheapest 12s right now. I do have these CT Sounds bios. I could do these for $50 each, but so nice little entry level subs. Sound actually pretty nice. You put a small little amp to them, man. Jorge, we do have a 6.5 coaxial starting about either $49.99 for the parent and up. But yeah, C10, we do ship, bud. We do ship, bro. EastCardio.net, we do ship, bro. Best Chino 5.3, best 6.5 speakers. Well, Chino, we have a lot of people have different preferences. Like, for example, a lot of people go with the Arnold Neos, those right there, the 67ANs, and people go with the DS18 Neos over there, and people go with the CT Sound Neos, and people go with the PRVs. So it just depends on really the on the kind of sound you're looking for. Big White Tree, what class D amp? How many watts you looking for, bud? How much power? So we have, guys, we have one of the new amps that came in stock, the Downforce Sound JP23. That puppy does 2800 watts RMS at 14.4 volts and 1800 watts RMS at 14.4 volts if you're doing 2 ohm. So we do. And then we have some Memphis, we have some Apocalypse, we have Joel Audio, and then we also have some DB Drives, WDX1K. So we have that, and we have the 3000, the new 3000 Mini. $499, for the Downforce Sound is going to be for $499, guys. No grills for the WDX. I don't know. We don't have any grills for that, but yes, sir. Yes, guys. That's what we do. But so it just depends on you what kind of sound you're looking for. If you want something more of a surround sound, we have these Infinity references. They come with the component system. Tweeter, I say hello to you. Come with the tweeters and components. That's a great sound, like a surround sound. Or you could do regular coaxials. It depends on you. And then you can also do the machetes. You could do that. You could do Sylvesters. You could do anything. But Andrew, yeah, Trions. But believe me or not, we've been seeing them Trions and we actually heard them in action. Those things sound awesome, dude, especially for the 10-inch. That sounds clean for a little small car or a little SUV. Nice entry-level system, guys, for $199. We already got called. We already got in trouble for them to remove them, but we don't care. We don't give a damn. We're going to still give you a badass price. But anyways, we have them in 10s and we have them in 12s. Mario, if you want something like that, bud, you could do... You don't want to do anything too crazy. Sylvesters are great. I have those starting about $149. So we do have those. Tocayo Juan, what's going on, brother? So we do have a couple marine packages, guys. Also, check that out. So we have marine packages. We have the 6.5 towers with the amplifier, warranty, and everything starting at $499. So check us out, Juan, on EastCardio.net. Go in the marine section, and you'll see what stuff we have available there for them for your towers. Texas Drifter, we do have base package for your truck, but we do have them starting about $499 for 10s. Best one I do recommend is 2.8s. I do have that starting about $849. I would do, honestly, C6 if you want to do something like that. Just do a Sylvesters. They start off about $149, but you gotta add some tweeters on them. Tweeters, I do have them starting about $100. .xn, what do you think about Sky High 6.5 Neos? Honestly, bud, I've not heard them. We've been wanting to get them. So I want to lie to you. I don't want to give you false info, but yeah, bro, I've not heard them. So I wish we would. Yeah, Mario, here are all Sylvesters right here, but we do have them right there and available for $149. But we do have them here available stock at EastCardio. But D Ferguson, we don't do a lot of noise filters here. Unfortunately, we find always a way to get around with the noise filters, so we try to stay away from it. There's ways around the noise to take away the engine noise on your either mids and highs and all that. So there's different ways of doing it. Mario, we've done a lot of Sylvesters with that amplifiers, but they sound amazing, man. They sound great. Oh hell yeah, you can never go wrong with the WDX, guys. You can never go wrong with the DB Drive base package for sure. DJ Ferguson, Carito, a lot of people have preferences. I mean, Pioneer is one of my favorite ones. Alpine's coming second to me. Sony's one of the best ones right now. Sony, I have a lot of love for this Sony. The XAV 4000, AX 4000, that is wireless Apple CarPlay. That one's hot deal right now, guys. So yes, Pioneer, Alpine, Sony, my best brand. Peter Gonzalez, we do, but go to eastcar.net, and if you go to your search bar and type in either base or combo or that kind of stuff, and you'll search up the kind of difference as far as base packages we have available. All right, Chop is the HD12 D2. Oh damn. So, dude, okay, the bad thing is you got D2s. You got two of them of two voice coils. Okay, so you have to get an amp that's powerful enough to power either a 0.5 ohm amp to power both of them up, or you have to run two separate amplifiers, or you have to go up on the ohms. I don't know, that's going to be an issue, Chop, because you do have dual subs where are 2 ohms each. So there's going to be a little bit of an issue. If you can inbox me, bud, give you more ideas of what we can do for your setup, what kind of amp is the best deal to go with. Username, yes, best 6x9 for clear sound, bro. You cannot go wrong with Kappas, papa. Infinity Kappa is one I recommend for type of surround sound, clean sound. That's the ones I recommend, guys. So Infinity Kappa is 100%. Carnito, on Eric, good down on yours, on 2006 Chevy, on all 4 doors. Is it extended cab or is it a crew cab, bud? Joe Fulton, oh, CT sounds mesos, 8s, okay. So if you want to do something like that, bud, I recommend you get the down for sound. A little bit expensive, man, but you got that kind of a power. This one is rated at 2800 watts RMS at 1 ohm, and 2 ohm is rated at 1800 watts at RMS at 14.4 volts, guys. So I recommend you this one for sure, bud. $4.99, the JP23, guys, for the down for sound. Monaco, honestly, Sylvester package, bro. Again, 100% all day long Sylvester package. ETX Alley. The only one I do have right now is going to be the 2508, the 8-inch woofer. That's the one I do have, bro. Carslow, I do have either TW3s. I just sold them, but I should have them in hopefully soon. But yeah, normally they start off at $479 for the 12s. But the things we basically done on Tesla are just something basic as far as a base package, nothing crazy. Unfortunately, in this kind of area where we're at, we don't get too much of those. But the last one we did, we actually did a base package for the Tesla, bud. And Justin Rich, I recommend you 100% the JD 1000, bud. The JD 1000 for yours, bud. I recommend you that. The JD 1001 for that. I recommend you that, which is this one right there. Great for TW3s. Diego, the only competition sub I do have right now in stock is going to be the G7 from DB Drive. That one is rated at 1250 watt RMS, bud. So I do have that, and then from there I do have the Sundown X8. That's really as far as competition subs I have. But yeah, yes sir, we do have the box for your 2.8s, bud, for your 2013. So let me show you. Let me see if I can show you the box real quick. There is a box for your 2.8s right here for your RAM, brother, right there. Ported and ready for 2.8s. Box I got it for $2.99, bro. I have the box here for $2.99. I don't recommend Mr. Profound. Don't go to the vehicle thing. I'm sorry, we're still working on our website. Type in bass package, voice package, or the side speaker you're looking for. That's what I recommend. Unfortunately, I do apologize. We're still working on our website, guys. David, I recommend 2.8s. If it's gonna be a truck or truck for sure, I recommend 2.8s for sure, brother. Honestly, bud, if you the one I have in stock right now, what's the best 12-inch sub I recommend? Right now, I do recommend the PS from DS18, the PSW12. I do 100% recommend that one. That's an awesome subwoofer and a dual voice coil, guys. Ultima Case Low 15. What do you have, brother? You have a F250. What are you looking for? What year is it? Yes, sir. We do have 20, bud. We have the 2020 Silverado extended cab boxes. We do have them in 2.8s, 2.10s, 2.12, and 4.8s, bro. DS18 6.5s, bro. I have the 6.5 red tips for $44.99 each, and I also have the DS18 silver tips starting about $125 each. The ones that we have in stock, bud, we do have either Memphis, DB Drives, and the DS18s. Now, depending on the vehicle, as far as shallow mounts, I do recommend a lot of guys on the PR series from Memphis. Great dual voice coil subs. Don't require a lot of space to make them thump, so I do recommend them starting about $179 each, guys. Dock builder, it depends on the setup that you use as far as shallows and amps. It depends on what you use, but you can make them sound. You can, yeah. Nick, we do a lot of motorcycles as well, but we do have a lot of speakers. We do use a lot of motos. The 6.5 motos, they are water resistant, and we use them a lot on the fairings. When customers bring the saddlebags already, we replace them with the 6x9s and the saddlebags. So we done a couple of them, bud. BJ, I just showed you the box, brother. That's the box here for your extended cab for 07 to 13 and 14 and up. 2.8s, where I do have it for 2.8s and 4.8s and 2.10s and 2.12s, but recommend, of course, 2.8s or even 4.8s, but we have a box for 4.8s as well for your single cab. Ruben, we have a 50 cap start at 149, bud. Yeah, guys, we do have Isaac. We do have a couple of headliner boxes, guys. We do have them in 4, 6.5s, and we have our new Chevy one. I just had word we're gonna get some new ones from Ford and Dodge as well. This is our Chevy one, Chevy logo box right there. The box itself, lease, we do have it for $299, Carlito. We do have it as well for $299. Cool cat box, and we have them mostly for $249 and up, guys. We do have it as well. Guys, don't type in, fortunately, again, guys, do not, if you go to a website, do not type in vehicle specific parts. We're still working on a website. Again, we do apologize for that. So we're still, it's kind of like under construction, but you can always go to the search icon and type in 07 to 14, and it will show whatever comes up to 07 to 14. So that'll come up either the boxes, amplifiers, radio, whatever you can for that truck, it will show up. All right, and then we do have these universal. We do have the universal 6.5. Universal center console for 112 and two 6.5s for a cup holder. Normally it starts for 99 to 06 extended cab or Chevy or crew cab. So yeah, guys, we have it on special right now for $299. Yeah, BJ, we do ship as well, but make sure you hit up at eastcaraudio.net. We do ship it out to you guys. We've been shipping all over. We ship stuff to Australia, France, Canada, Mexico. So we've been shipping all over, guys. So we do.
Thank you for love and support.